Keep watching if you want to learn how to make these good ass shrimp boil noodles, y'all. Alright, so you're going to boil some water with a little bit of chicken bouillon and cayenne pepper. Then I'm going to go ahead and boil some corn and then boil your shrimp for about 2 minutes. Take the shrimp out and then boil some noodles. Then go ahead and melt you some butter and cook that up with some garlic, chopped onion, a little bit of the pasta water, a little bit of lemon juice, Italian seasoning, cayenne pepper, and then a little bit of Cajun seasoning, y'all. Stir that and reduce it. After it's reduced, throw in a couple blocks of butter, melt that slow, pour it over your seafood, and then toss the noodles and the rest of the sauce, y'all. Then after that, you can go ahead and construct your plate. I put a little bit of extra seasoning and sauce on mine. But, y'all, this is so good. And it's just like shrimp.